Hello, my student. How are you? Okay, today is, I need that you write the date, August 2020. Topic review. Performance, the Rainbow Diet. Okay. You can open your book page 28 and 29. This is the Rainbow Diet. Start with exercise. Okay, we start. Number 1. You need to complete with the correct verb. Pineapples. Your skin looks good. Pineapples is, you open your book, page 29, is color yellow, like bananas, corn, and pineapple. Okay? And you look that in your book, and the correct verb is make. Make. Entonces, pineapple, then pineapple make hace que su piel se vea bien. Okay? And look, food like spinach and broccoli, your eyes hurt and muscles. Then, pero tenemos que ver el color, porque es de acuerdo a Rainbow Diet. Color of this is green. And you open your book, page 28, and you read, lees el párrafo, y entonces ya uno sabe que es protect. Okay, continue. Blueberries and grape, your body make new brain cells. Okay, and you open your book, page 29, and this is color purple, or yes, or blue, something, no, purple. Y nos dice blackberries and grape are good for your memory. Food like this will even help your body make new brain cells. Okay? And they also protect the body for illness. Then, help. The answer is help, porque ahí pues lo estoy viendo, lo estoy leyendo. Help. Wait for me. Help. Continue. Continue with number 5. Tomatoes help you some types of cancer. This is color red. Red. And I open the book. En este momento estoy abriendo el libro para ver. Nos dice, strawberry, tomatoes, and watermelon contain an important nutrient. This food will help your heart stay healthy, and they will help prevent some type of cancer. Prevent. Okay, prevent tomatoes. And nuts give you protein. Okay. You need to read. Necesitan volver y leer, recordar, tomar sus apuntes de Rainbow Diet, donde nos clasifica los alimentos de acuerdo al color y nos dice en esta unidad qué beneficios nos dan cada uno de ellos. Okay? And this is all for today, my student. Bye. I need that I'm sorry, if you like, you can copy that. Si puedes copiar estos ejemplos en tu cuaderno para que sea más fácil, ¿ok? Para ti repasar para el examen. Bye.